Okay, so we have here a Worcester boiler, combi boiler, which is actually leaking from inside, and this is actually the flow turbine. This is a common problem for this kind of boiler, so I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Okay, so we're gonna use a flat screwdriver to close the cold water. Okay, so now with a flat screwdriver I'm gonna remove the pin and open the
That's where you've got scumbags in here, some of them, unfortunately.
Okay, so we have here the new part, with this one it's going inside after this. So we're gonna open with a spanner and we're gonna remove carefully the pipe out. Okay, so I opened the nut over there for the cold water feed, then I carefully remove. So I take this one out and we can see there inside, actually this is the part which is always damaged, so I'm gonna get this one out nice and easy. Okay, so I just stopped the video a bit because you're gonna need to use a grip to get this one out. So over here we have the old part, which we can see is not in the really good condition, and we have the new part with a gasket. This one will gonna come here, so I recommend to don't keep the same one, always change if you have one. And yeah, we're gonna put them, so this one will gonna come over here and another one, little one over here. If you're not sure, you can just follow how the old part was and you can do exactly the same. Okay, so we put the new part inside and now we're gonna put everything back. Just disconnect this one over here when you remove it. After, just put the pin back on the same position and you remove it, and if you can't, just press a bit with something to go all the way through. And yeah, now we're gonna change the washer and we're gonna put everything back on. Okay, now using the key for the filling loop, we're gonna put some pressure in. Okay, so we're gonna fill up the system and no leaking anymore. We have already pressure, nearly 1 bar, and then we're gonna put the gauge back in the position. We're gonna put pressure 1.5 bar, and then we're gonna bleed all the radiators to make sure there's not any air on the system, and coming back to check and refill the system a bit if it's needs, if not. But you can see it's 1.5 bar. Okay, we're gonna close now and put back the gauge on, and we can run the hot water tap, and the boiler is starting. There we go, we have hot water and there is not any more leak. Yeah, thank you for watching.